1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hi, my name is Carsten Rubeling. I'm the musical director and composer for Matters of Rhythm and Harmony. I'm playing in the band as well. I'm a trombonist. We are busy rehearsing. We're in there working hard to stitch everything together and bring the show to life. Another fantastic band this year that's comprised of many of the musicians that have been part of the other two shows I've composed music for, Nervous Systems and Party Time, with the addition of a guitar player this year. They are Luis Tavar on the drums, Aaron Shore on guitar, Andre Wickenheiser on trumpet, Jeff Gammon on bass, and myself on trombone. The music in Act 1 is really interesting. Sabrina came to me with an idea of kind of tracking the life cycle of human beings, the soul. I think also part of what makes this show unique is the music that she was kind of hearing in her mind was particularly influenced by her own kind of background as somebody from Trinidad in her family. That's a big piece of what she was coming from, as well as kind of New Orleans, the Caribbean, the Afro influence on that whole part of the world. So that's kind of where we started, and of course the music evolved from there. But yeah, that's the bulk of Act 1 centers around those kind of flavors and palettes of sound. So yeah.